What's up? Welcome to the channel. Today I'll be talking about my 2019 Genesis G70. So the first thing I've done to the vehicle is start from the front. First thing I have on this car is going to be this front Adro diffuser. It's actually a very nice carbon fiber piece. Unfortunately, I hit a little piece of tree on the freeway, so there is a little ding on there. But other than that, she looks really, really nice. On the side here, I have the Adro's carbon fiber side skirts. Now for the wheels, I still have stock wheels, but I won't lie, these wheels stock are actually quite nice. I actually like them a lot. And with the car, it also comes with the Brembo brakes on all fours. Now, my favorite part about this car, I would say it would be on the rear. As you can tell, the details on this car is very, very nice. So the first thing I have is this duckbill right here, a black duckbill that I got. And then on the bottom here, which would be the diffuser from Adro as well. As you can tell, I'm a very big fan of Adros because they make very nice products. Also on the car, I have the straight pipe all the way. Well, I wouldn't say straight pipe. I put my OEMs back on so that I don't become a target. I don't know if you can really see those two, but in the future I will be getting another exhaust system. But I want to shout out to PFEs for hooking me up with a down pipe, mid pipes, and the straight pipes all the way. Also, another shout out to Concept 3. As you can see, he pretty much installed a lot of things for me. All the diffusers, the front splitter, side skirts. Also in the car, I'm gonna show you the engine. Alright, so we're gonna go into the interior. The interior is actually quite nice, very elegant look. These seats right here are pretty much leather seats. Don't know if you can see it very well on the shadow like that. Okay, so let's take a look under the hood. So this is actually a 3.3 V6 twin turbo. I actually do have the JB4 tuning on here. It's actually right in here. It's actually somewhere in there. I don't know if you can see that, but I do have the JB4 burger tuning on this car. So it is pushing a lot more on the PSI. There is no lag on the car at all, which is very, very nice. And when I put it on sport mode, it can actually really take off really quick. Now the trunk space in this car, I would say it is a little bit tiny. Excuse me for my little storage compartment. Other than that, for the car, for a sedan, it's a bit on the tiny side. But you know, I'll make the best of it. Now, in the back seat, it is a little bit cramped as well. I don't know if you guys can really see that. I'll try to get away from the shadow. But here is the back seats. For me, for someone like me, it is a bit on the tighter side. I am around 6 feet, so it does get a little bit tight. But one very cool thing about this car actually be this car seat switch right here. You'd be able to pretty much scoop that person back in there. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Let me know what I should do next for the car. Now there is a lot of plans that I plan to do on the car, a lot of projects. So subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. Let me know how I'm doing, if I'm doing a lot better or a lot worse. It is a little bit of my first time, so bear with me. Just let me know, and I would love to improve on my videos and show you guys what I have in the future build. So yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.